Alright, well, this is the last part of it. Basically got everything off, or back on, in place, and time to take off the plastic. Well, okay, I got more on the inside.
We are showing off the lights today, and well, let's get on to the video.
Alright, we gotta take this plastic off.
And it's sticky too.
Alright, let's put this case back on. Alright. Screwing in the screws.
It doesn't let me.
Yep, you gotta line up the hole. Alright. So, if you would be so kind as to hand me the keyboard. Nice. Alright. Here we go.
Now we need to do what?
Here, we'll put it over here. Okay, hit the power button. And I'll get us into the BIOS.
Is this power?
Nope. It's up there on top.
Power?
Nope, top of the big box. There, yes. And here we go.
So there's like some red lights and then there's blue. And then like awesome.
Ah, I didn't catch it in time. Alright, but yeah, there's the lights. I'm going to bring us into BIOS so that we can just switch them up, kind of change the lighting and stuff for you.
And y'all, look at there. Look at there.
That's the
fan, and it has a blue light on it. Well, here we go. Just take it back over. Okay. Now I'm taking over the keyboarding.
Alright, hold on. We're starting over.
Yeah, we had to start over, you guys.
Okay, there it goes. And into BIOS. What? Hey, alright. Gotta click OK. Alright, so now we go to our. Nope, this ain't it. Here we go. RGB Fusion. Alright, the current. Let's go with the cycling color. Let's see here, it has off, pulse mode, And as you can see, it's pulsing.
It's like blinking. It's like a blink.
Okay, moving to the color cycle. Wow, look at that.
Looky there, guys. Awesome, huh?
So static mode will keep it one static color. You come up here to the top. You change the new color. I like green. Look at that.
Looky there.
You've also got a flash mode.
Blink, blink, bling, blink.
I kind of like that cycle color. It's pretty nice. Take a
Yeah, you take over now.
Alright, we'll go back to manual mode. I am going to have a lot of editing